So I've got my wireless guitar tether here. What I want to do in this review is show you everything that comes with. We're going to go over the features of this, and then I'll just show you actually how I'm going to use it. So of course we got our power cord here, and it really comes in a nice case here. I'd say it's a semi-hard case. It's all zippered, so you can go ahead and just put everything in there. You could even put your picks in there too. And then of course we've got our transmitter and receiver. You'll see a TX and an RX on one of these, or on each one, so you'll know which one goes where. Also, this does have a range here of 210 degrees, so it easily swivels, gets out of the way. And when they're fully charged up, they do have a runtime of right around 12 hours. On the back side, this is where we're going to go ahead and charge it. And when you're using these, there's a slight delay. It's just 3 milliseconds. I mean, it's instantaneous. You can't even notice the difference. And these also have a distance of 230 feet. So the way these work, we're going to press the button, kind of just do a long press. It's going to start blinking. That means it's just searching for a signal. I'm going to go ahead and press the receive one. And you can do these in any order, it doesn't matter. Automatically, you can see here, now they're the same color and they're solid, they're not blinking. And what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and cycle through all these different colors. You can do a quick press like that. It's going to go to some different colors. Or if you don't even want the colors at all, do a double click and it'll turn off. And they're back on. But these are ready to go. You can of course plug these into your guitar and your amp and then turn them on. It doesn't matter, but they will cycle through these different colors if you want them to, which is pretty cool. All I'm going to do is, this is the receiver. I'm going to go ahead and put it to the amp. Take the transmitter. I'm going to put it to the guitar. And of course, you can see it swivels really easily. The light is on both sides. And it's already connected. No wires, wireless. I love it. Because my cord, right here, it's only so long. So now I can play the guitar in the kitchen and sing to my wife while my speaker's in here. It's awesome. I love these. These are fantastic. And like I said before, if you don't like the lights, double click and it's off. Hope you found this review helpful.